Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this session, we are going to study MCQs from the chapter 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and 11. So we will discuss 10 MCQs from the each chapter. The first question, National Botanical Research Institute is situated at. So they ask the question National Botanical Research Institute. If they ask botanical garden, then you have to choose the answer Kolkata. But if they ask the question research institute, then you have to choose the answer Lucknow. So Lucknow is the right answer. Second question, Systema Naturae was written by. So this publication was mainly written by the scientist named Carolus Linnaeus. So B is the right answer. In third question, a fish Katla Katla, the specific name is identical with the generic name, thus it is an example for. So if the both species name and genus name are similar, then the condition is called tautonym. So the fourth question, among the following which can be common feature exhibited by both living and non-living characters? So among these four characters, which one is exhibiting both living and non-living characters? So A is the right answer because growth exhibit both living and non-living characters. Fifth question, unit of classification is. So unit of classification is taxon, rank, category, species and all are the units of classification. So the sixth question, which of the suffixes used for classification in plants indicated a taxonomic category of family? So family means we have to use the suffix Aceae. Orders means you have to use the suffix ales. Classification in plants indicated by a taxonomic category of family is called Acaea. So C is the right answer. Which contain information? Seventh one, which contain information on any one taxon, that is catalogus, manuals, flora and monograph. So information on any one taxon is called monograph. So D is the right answer. Eighth question, phylogenetic system of classification is based on. So phylogenetic system of classification is based on the evolutionary relationships. So A is the right answer. Ninth question, Linnaeus system of plant classification is. So Linnaeus system of plant classification is artificial system of classification. So Linnaeus proposed artificial system of classification. Clear? 10th question, museum have the collection of. So museum have the collection of insects, larger animal species and skeleton of animals. So all of these are correct answers. So that's why D is the right answer, all of the above. So 11th question, algae which is used as a food by space travelers. Algae which is used as food by space travelers is called chlorella and spirulina because these two are protein rich algae. That's why they use the space travelers as a food supplements, chlorella and spirulina. So B, both B, A and C. D is the right answer. 12th question, fucoxanthin pigment is found in. So fucoxanthin mainly found in xanthophylls. So xanthophylls are found in brown algae, Phaeophycea, brown algae. So is the right answer. 13th question, fusion between morphologically alike gametes is referred as isogamy. So isogamy means similar gametes fusion. So it is similar in size. So isogamy is the right answer. Pyrenoids are found in the chloroplast of algae, pteridophytes, gymnosperm, angiosperm, but mainly pyrenoids are found in the chloroplast of algae because you have to study it in the Spirogyra. Spirogyra has the chloroplast and also pyrenoid molecules. So A is the right answer. In 15th question, phycoerythrin is present in. Erythrin means red color, red pigment. So phycoerythrin means red algae. The example for red algae is Polycyphonia. So phycoerythrin is present in the Polycyphonia. B is the right answer. Moss plant develops from. So in moss plant we have to study protonema stage and leafy stage. But initially moss plant develops from the protonema stage. After that sex organs in mosses are produced at a leafy stage. So in 16th question A is the right answer, but in 17th question B is the right answer. Moss plant develops from protonema stage. Sex organs in mosses are produced at leafy stage. So clear. 18. Cycas has a small specialized roots associated with the nitrogen fixing cyanobacteria. So cycas has a small specialized roots associated with the nitrogen fixing bacteria or cyanobacteria. Those roots are called coralloid roots. Coralloid roots. Which type of life cycle is shown by kelps, ectocarpus, etc.? Which type of life cycle is shown by kelps or ectocarpus? So haplodiplomatic. In haplodiplomatic, we have to study the chlamydomonas is the example for the haplodiplomatic life cycle. In diplomatic life cycle, all angiosperms and gymnosperms. In haplodiplomatic life cycle, kelps, ectocarpus, porphyra or polycyponia. These are comes. 20th question. An alga very rich in protein is. An alga very rich in protein is chlorella and spirulina. So chlorella is the right answer. Cell theory was formulated by. 21st question. Cell theory was formulated by Matthias Skildon and Theodore Schivan. So you have to remember this. Extension of plasma membrane in prokaryotic cell. Extension of plasma membrane in prokaryotic cell is called as mesosome. So cell membrane shows the infolding like structure in the cytoplasm. Those infolding like structures are called as mesosomes. Clear? 23rd question. Roots originating from parts other than radicle. So other than radicle, the roots arise from the adventitious roots. Those are called adventitious roots. 24th question. Ginger multiplies vegetatively by or edible part of the ginger is. Ginger multiplies vegetatively by or edible part of the ginger is called rhizome. So tuber is potato. 25th question. Arrangement of leaves on a stem branch is. So arrangement of leaves on a stem branch is called as phyllotaxy. So arrangement of leaves on stem is called phyllotaxy. C is the right answer. 26th question. Find out the incorrect match. So in these four, one is incorrect. So we have to find the incorrect match. So sterile stamen means those are the staminodes. So staminodes are also called as sterile stamens. Stamens attached to petals is called epipetalous. Is the right? This is right. Stamens attached to perianth is episepalous. This is wrong because stamens attached to sepals is called episepalous. Free stamens are polyandrous. Poly means free. So polyandrous. So answer is C. Stamens attached to perianth and that is episepalous. This is wrong. So 27th, which is not a nut. So which is not a nut. Groundnut is also comes into the nut. Areca nut is a nut. Coconut is not a nut. So A is the right answer. 28. Drupe fruit is found in. Drupe fruit is found in mango. So C is the right answer. Vegetative propagation in mint occurs by. Vegetative propagation in mint occurs by the type sucker. Sucker propagation. 30th question. What type of placentation is seen in sweet pea? Sweet pea or beans. So what type of placentation is seen in sweet pea is called marginal placentation. So C is the right answer. Mouth parts of cockroach are. Mouth parts of cockroach are used for the chewing and biting type of biting for the food molecules. Chewing and biting of the food molecules. Anal cerci occurs in. So anal cerci occurs in both the male and female cockroaches. Anal cerci occurs in both male and female cockroach. Exoskeleton of cockroach and other insects formed of exoskeleton of cockroach and other insects formed of the chitinous cuticle or chitin molecule. In a crab, the outer surface is mainly made by the chitin. So exoskeleton is made by chitin molecule. Ciliated epithelium is present in. Ciliated epithelium is present in the bronchioles and fallopian tubes. So bronchioles and fallopian tubes are mainly made by ciliated epithelium tissue. 35th question. Cell junctions called tight adhering and gap junctions are found in. Cell junctions called tight adhering and gap junctions are found in the epithelial tissue or compound epithelial tissue. So what are the functions of goblet cells? 36th question. What are the functions of goblet cells? Production of mucus. So B is the right answer. Tendons and ligaments are specialized types of the connective tissues because these connect the muscles and bones. So D is the right answer. 38th question. Major protein of connective tissue is. So major protein of connective tissue is collagen. So collagen is the connective tissue. B is the right answer. Most of the human neurons are. So human neurons are based upon the dendrite numbers. We have to make a classification: unipolar, bipolar, or multipolar. So most of the human neurons have the many dendrites. That's why we use the word multipolar neurons. 40th question. Nissls granules are present in. So Nissls granules are present in nerve cells. Nerve cells means neurons. 41st question. The process of plasmolysis is usually reversible because it comes under normal stages also. Reversible. A is the right answer. 42 question. Which pathway involves cell wall and intercellular spaces? Which pathway involves cell wall and intercellular spaces? That is apoplast pathway, because symplast pathways occurs through the cytoplasm and plasmodesmata. Apoplast pathways occurs through the intercellular spaces and cell wall. So D is the right answer. 43rd question. Stomata as mainly helps to occur transpiration process, and idiotherds means helps to occur guttation process, because transpiration means loss of water in the form of water vapor through the stomata. Guttation means loss of water in the form of water droplets through the idiotherds. So A is the right answer. 44. Stomata of a plant open due to. So stomata of a plant open due to entry of potassium ions and exit of Na plus ions. So influx of potassium ions is the right answer. Stomata of plant open due to influx of potassium ions. Efflux of potassium ions means closing of stomata. So C is the right answer. Influx of potassium ions. 45 question. Phloem sap is mainly made of. Water and sucrose. So A is the right answer. 46th question. Process of loading at the source produces dash condition in the phloem. So entry of minerals to the phloem produces the hypertonic condition. So B is the right answer. 47. Ascent of sap is best explained by. So ascent of sap means movement of minerals from lower to higher level. So ascent of sap is best explained by cohesion, tension, transpiration, pull theory. So D is the right answer. 48th question. Root pressure is measured by. Manometer. So C is the right answer. Which of the following biological membranes is semi-permeable? Means fish and animal bladders, egg membrane, and plasma membrane of cells. So all of these are semi-permeable membranes. So D is the right answer. A cell placed in a solution get deplasmolized. The solution is. A cell placed in a solution get deplasmolized. The solution is hypotonic, because cell is deplasmolized. So hypotonic is the answer. 51 question. A photosystem 1, the first electron acceptor is. In photosystem 1, the first electron acceptor is FAS protein. So A is the right answer. 52 question. In C3 plants, first stable product of photosynthesis during dark reaction is. So first stable product of photosynthesis during dark reaction is phosphoglyceric acid. So A is the right answer. 53rd question. During fixation of one molecule of CO2 by C3 plants, number of ATP and NADH2 required are. So during fixation of one molecule of CO2 by C3 plants, number of ATP and NADH2 required are 3 ATP molecules and 2 NADH2 molecules are required. So A is the right answer. In 54th question, cranch anatomy is not exhibited by which of the following plants? Cranch anatomy is not exhibited by which of the following plants? So maize, sorghum and sugarcane shows the cranch anatomy, but sunflower plant doesn't show any cranch anatomy reactions. So D is the right answer. Photorespiration is also called as, so photorespiration is also called as C2 cycle. 56th question, rate of photosynthesis is independent of, rate of photosynthesis is independent of duration of light, because it depends on the intensity of light, quality of light, temperature, but it is independent by the duration of light. 57th question, cyclic photophosphorylation results in the formation of, cyclic photophosphorylation results in the formation of ATP only, but in non-cyclic photophosphorylation both ATP and NADPH are formed. Chlorophyll in chloroplast is located in, chlorophyll pigment in chloroplast located in the thylakoids, because light reaction is only shows, light reaction only shows in the thylakoids. So that's why chlorophylls are found in thylakoids. 59th question, principle of limiting factors was proposed by, so Blackman's law of limiting factors. Blackman is the scientist's name who discovered limiting factors. That's why A is the right answer. 60th question, enzyme that catalyzes initial carbon dioxide fixation in C4 plants is, enzyme that catalyzes initial carbon dioxide fixation in C4 plants, that is PEP carboxylase. PEP carboxylase mainly found in the mesophyll cells. Okay, so B is the right answer. Okay, next question, maximum growth rate occurs in, so maximum growth rate occurs in the lag phase. So in a sigmoid growth curve, log phase, lag phase, stationary phase, three phases are found. So lag phase shows the maximum growth rate, so that is C is the right answer. Next question, exponential growth curve is expressed as, so exponential growth curve is mainly expressed by the W0 is equal to W1 e raised to RT. So D is the right answer. Next question, 63rd, the cells derived from root apical and shoot apical meristems and cambium differentiate and mature to perform specific functions. This act leading to maturation is termed as, so they said that shoot and root apical meristems are differentiate and mature to perform a specific function. Differentiate means the process shows the differentiation, so A is the right answer, because tissues are getting a specific functions here, that's called as differentiation. Then 64th question, development is the sum of two processes. So development of organism is the sum of two processes, that is those processes are growth and differentiation. So C is the right answer. Next question, 65th, which of the following PGRs are categorized as plant growth promoters? So auxin, gibberellic acid and cytokinin, these three are the promoters. Ethylene and abscisic acid acts as a inhibitors. So auxin, gibberellic acid and cytokinin are the plant growth promoters or plant growth regulators. Next 66, which is used as a weedicide in these four, which one used as a weedicide or herbicide? That is 2,4-dichlorophenoxyacetic acid, that is D is the right answer. And it is also synthetic auxin, please remember this. It is also naphthalene acetic acid and T4D, both are synthetic auxins, but weedicide is only 2,4-D, so D is the right answer. The phenomenon of apical dominance can be overcome by exogenous application of, the phenomenon of apical dominance can be overcome by the hormone, that is cytokinins, but apical dominance is initiated by auxins and overcome by the cytokinins, so C is the right answer. Synthetic plant hormone is, synthetic plant hormone 2,4-D and NA, both are the synthetic plant hormones extracted by the auxin. Next question, plants which must be exposed to light for a period less than the critical duration, because they mentioned the word less than the critical duration means short day plants, more than the critical means long day plants, so A is the right answer. Short day plants. Before the flowering is initiated, then are called short day plants. Vernalization is, so vernalization is a speeding up ability to flower by low temperature treatment. Whenever we heard the word low temperature treatment for flowering, that is called as vernalization. Clear? So C is the right answer. 71. Book lungs are respiratory structures in. So book lungs are respiratory structures in arachnida. So A is the right answer. 74. Covering of the lung is called. So covering of the lung is called pleural membrane. So covering of the lung is called pleural membrane or pleura. Pleura is the fluid covered the lungs. So C is the right answer. Normal breathing rate of a healthy human is. They ask breathing rate, not a heartbeat. So you will get confusing 70 to 75 times per minute. But they ask the breathing rate. So breathing rate means 12 to 16 times per minute. So C is the right answer. So which one is false in these four sentences? Pleura is a double covering kidney. Scurvy is due to vitamin C deficiency. Pancreas is both exocrine and endocrine glands. Blood from right side of heart is carried to lungs by pulmonary artery. So answer is A, because pleura is double covering of kidney. It's not a right answer. Pleura is the covering of the lungs, not a kidney. So A is wrong, but A is the answer. 75. The volume of air breathed in and out during a normal breathing by man is called. Volume of air breathed in and out during a normal breathing by man is called. A is the answer, tidal volume. So in and out of the breathing is called tidal volume. The amount of air inspired or expired. The amount of air inspired or expired during a normal breathing is. So they ask the amount of the air which is inspired or expired during a normal breathing, that is 0.5 liter. So D is the right answer. The direction of concentration gradient for oxygen is from. The direction of concentration gradient for oxygen is from alveoli to blood to tissues. So this is the answer. C is the right answer. Oxygen dissociation curve. So 78. Oxygen dissociation curve is shows the sigmoid growth curve. Sigmoid growth curve. 79 question. When CO2 concentration in blood increases, breathing becomes. When CO2 concentration in blood increases, CO2 increases in the blood, breathing becomes faster and deeper. So breathing becomes faster and deeper. D is the right answer. Air is breathed through. Air is breathed through means nostrils, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi, bronchioles, then finally alveoli. So C is the right answer. Number of nephrons in each kidney of man is called 10 to 12 lakhs or 1 million kidneys, 1 million nephrons in each kidney. So C is the right answer. What is wrong about kidney? These four sentences, which one is the wrong about the kidney? So peripheral cortex and central medulla. Blood enters glomerulus through the efferent arteriole. Malpighian capsules occur in cortex. Concave part of the kidney is called hilum. So in this, B is the wrong statement, because blood enters glomerulus through the afferent arteriole, not efferent arteriole. Afferent arteriole. So B is the answer. Then next question. Filtration of blood takes place at. So filtration of blood takes place at Malpighian body. D is the right answer. Malpighian body means it's a combination of Bowman's capsule and glomerulus. So that's why D is the right answer. Next question, 84th. Dash mechanism helps to maintain a concentration gradient in the medullary interstitium. So that is only one mechanism is found in the nephron, that is counter current mechanism. Counter current mechanism helps to maintain the concentration gradient in the medullary interstitium. So C is the right answer. 85th question. Human kidneys can produce urine nearly dash concentrated than the initial filtrate formed. So this is very important question. So human kidneys can produce urine nearly 4 times concentrated than the initial filtrate is formed. That is D is the right answer. 86. ADH controls water permeability of. So ADH controls water permeability of distal convoluted tubule. So C is the right answer. The next question, 87th. Match the following. So column 1 and column 2. Uremia, hematuria, ketonuria, glycosuria, proteinuria. So in this uremia, the presence of excess urea in blood, that is uremia. So A is 5 or A is 5. Hematuria, presence of blood cell in urea. Presence of blood cell in urea, that is B3. Then ketonuria. Ketonuria is a presence of high ketone in urea or urine. Presence of high ketone in urea. Glycosuria, presence of glucose in urine. And proteinuria, excess of protein level in urine. So D is the right answer. Kidney stone is produced due to. Kidney stone is produced due to the deposition of oxalates or crystallization of oxalates. So C is the right answer. Angiotensinogen is a protein produced and secreted by. So angiotensinogen is a protein that is mainly secreted by juxtaglomerular apparatus or juxtaglomerular cells. So D is the right answer. 90. Primary function of sweat is. 90. Primary function of sweat is to facilitate a cooling effect on the body surface. So mainly sweating produces the cooling effect for the body surface. So A is the right answer. So in the next session we will discuss 10 MCQs from the every chapter. Those are remaining. Okay, thank you.